Get insurance to do remodeling work. There always comes a point in time when you look at your old house and say to yourself that changes have to be made. After deciding, you ask yourself if you are going to do it yourself or have friends come and help you, or if you will hire professionals to do the work. To help you make your decision, you are going to look at some estimates. How much the work will be, how much materials will be, and, if you do hire people, how much they are charging. However, before you make your final decision, you have to first get insurance to do remodeling work. And here are a few steps that will help you get the insurance you need. Before you look for insurance, do the following. These are things you will have to remember before you look for insurance. First, imagine what you want your house or part of your house you want to spice up to look like. Afterwards, make a list of all the changes you are going to make. Also create a budget that you are willing to spend if you do it yourself or you hire a professional. After that, decide if you going to do it yourself or you will hire a contractor. If you will do it yourself, do you have the time to work on it? Do you know what materials you will need? Take these into consideration before you do the remodeling. Contact your homeowner's insurance provider. Talk to them and ask them all your questions. Ask them about the pros and cons of DIY and hiring a contractor and the pros and cons of hiring a small business contractor or a big business contractor. Ask them if your home insurance premiums will change and for how long during and after the remodeling work. These are just some of the essential questions you have to ask them. Try making a list before you talk to them so you are prepared. Basically, just talk to them about the remodeling work and all the other details. Look for them. There are many sites online concerning home insurance. Fire up your search engine and check the websites and decide which is the best one for you. Try your local operators or phone book. Both could lead you to a suitable home insurance provider. Try asking your friends and family or people you know who have just undergone remodeling projects at home. They could refer you to an insurance provider. You could even check with contractors. You may not hire them, but they may have some knowledge on home insurance providers that they could share with you. Lastly, you can try consulting with local DIY stores. You never know, they may have some connections to home insurance providers. Remember, if you will hire a contractor, make sure he is a licensed and insured one. You can check this with your state's licensing board. And make sure to carefully decide on a contractor. Check first their backgrounds and previous projects for complaints and problems. Be careful. Even if you have insurance, do not be so reckless. Always remember, safety first. After following the simple steps, you now have insurance for your remodeling work. All you have to do now is start working, and soon, all your dreams of change in your house will have come true.